Thanks for watching another no-nonsense Airbnb video. You may or may not be aware that Airbnb now allows you to offer a 20% discount to first 3 bookings when you're listing your property on Airbnb. This option is only available to new listings just to get them going quickly. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can turn on or off that 20% discount for first 3 bookings. Try and do this from a computer because Airbnb phone app is not really well designed for things like this. Once you're logged into Airbnb, just go to the top right and click on switch to hosting. That will take you to the hosting dashboard, and then click on menu and then listing. That will open your listing, and then you need to go into the calendar. And on the next page, once again, click on your listing on the left-hand side, and that will open up the calendar. Without clicking anywhere on the dates, you need to go to the section on the right. And as you scroll down, you will see under promotions, the first option is new listing promotion, 20% off for first 3 bookings. At the moment, it is active. If you want to turn it off, you can just click on edit, and here just click on remove promotion, and that will immediately remove that promotion from your listing. But if you want to turn it on, you can simply click on it again and then apply promotion again. This will automatically apply 20% discount to first 3 bookings. If you're new to Airbnb, you've recently listed your property and not getting enough bookings, or you've been waiting for a few days, I think it is an excellent idea to offer this discount to get you some quick bookings and get you started. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to Airbnb and if you need any guidance, I will leave a link to my Airbnb ambassador profile. Please click on that link and you will be connected with me directly on Airbnb, and I will be able to help you with any questions or concerns you may have about your property. Until next time, bye-bye.